Maxima and minima. A closed cylindrical can must have a volume of 1000 cubic inch. Its lateral surface is to be constructed from a rectangular piece of metal, and its top are to be stamped from square pieces of metal, and the rest of the square discarded. What dimensions will minimize the amount of metal needed in the construction of the can? The volume of cylinder is pi times radius squared times height. In this case, the volume is fixed. Pi times radius squared times height equals 1000 cubic meters. The surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi times radius times height plus 2 pi times radius squared. It has to find the minimum. S of R equals 2 times pi times radius squared times height over radius plus 2 pi times radius squared. Replace pi times radius squared times height by 1000. S of R equals 2 times 1000 over radius plus 2 pi times radius squared. You will get S of R equals 2000 over radius plus 2 pi times radius squared. To find the minimum, differentiate the function to get S prime of R equals negative 2000 over radius squared plus 4 pi times radius. S prime of R equals negative 2000 plus 4 pi times radius cube over radius squared, and equate it to 0. Leads to equation 4 pi times radius cube equals 2000, which gives radius equals cube root of 500 over pi. Substitute the value of pi. Radius equals cube root of 500 over 3.14. We get radius equals 5.42 centimeters. Then height. Height equals pi times radius squared times height over pi times radius. Height equals 1000 over 3.14 times 5.42 centimeters equals 10.84 centimeters. The final answer would be radius equals 5.42 centimeter and height equals 10.84 centimeters. V equals cosine squared of x plus x sine x. V prime equals negative sine squared of x 1/2 x raised to 1 minus 1/2 plus x cosine x plus sine x. The derivative of cosine u is negative sine u. The derivative of square root of x is 1/2 x raised to 1 minus 1/2. Then, we use product rule for x sine x. The answer would be x cosine x plus sine x. V prime equals negative sine square root of x 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 plus x cosine x plus sine x. Simplify it. V prime equals 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 minus sine square root of x cosine x plus sine x. Exponential and logarithmic function. Y equals x squared natural logarithm secant squared quantity x plus 1 squared. X squared natural logarithm secant squared quantity x plus 1 squared. It needs to remove the square on secant, then we put it on the secant quantity x plus 1. X squared natural logarithm secant quantity x plus 1 squared squared. Simplify it. Y prime equals x squared natural logarithm derivative of y over derivative of x natural logarithm secant quantity x plus 1 squared squared plus 2x natural logarithm secant quantity x plus 1 squared squared. Put logarithm natural logarithm sub a x raised to n, which gives us 4 natural logarithm y prime equals x squared derivative of y over derivative of x 4 natural logarithm secant quantity x plus 1 plus 2x natural logarithm secant quantity x plus 1 squared squared. Simplify it. y prime equals x squared times 4, derivative of y over derivative of x, natural logarithm. Second, quantity x plus 1 plus 2x, natural logarithm. Second, quantity x plus 1 squared. The derivative of second is tangent u times u prime. Then copy the x squared times 4. Because there is a squared, you need to get the derivative of the 1 second. Then you need to get the derivative x plus 1. Then over the second quantity x plus 1. Cancel the same second quantity x plus 1. The answer would be y prime equals 4x squared tangent quantity x plus 1 plus 2x natural logarithm second quantity x plus 1 squared. Then simplify it. Y prime equals 2x natural logarithm second quantity x plus 1 squared plus 4x tangent quantity x plus 1. Hyperbolic function and inverse hyperbolic function. Z equals natural logarithm times hyperbolic cosine square root of x. Z prime equals sine square root of x 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 over hyperbolic cosine square root of x. The derivative of natural logarithm is u prime over u. The derivative of hyperbolic cosine is hyperbolic cosine u equals hyperbolic sine u times u prime. Then, simplify the coefficient of u prime.